we're gonna sandpaper now, and we're doing this because we're gonna break down some of the rubber pores so that the paint has an easier job of seeping into them and sticking better. Bad news, it's not looking the way we wanted it to look. So I've got super glue now, which dries a lot faster, 10 to 45 seconds. So you could attach the pieces on and it sticks and stays stuck. Now that we've got the shoe foundations laid out, we've got the back, the sides, we've just got to fill in this part. And to do that, we've got a couple of options. You could either take a straight piece and plop it on top and cut it off and glue that, but that looks a bit too perpendicular. So I made a mistake earlier. This was supposed to be here, but I cut too much of this part off. So if I turn it over like that, it fits that part perfectly. Plus it kind of contours the back rubber piece, which looks really cool.